During the most significant real estate downturn in recent memory, the 2008 crash, the underlying factors can be clearly seen in an inventory graph developed by Bill McBride. This graph, dating back to 2002, uses a blue line to depict the year-over-year changes and a red line to show the actual count of existing homes on the market. Evidently, from 2005, homes across the United States began to linger unsold, as indicated by the rising inventory levels. By 2007, the red line highlights that we reached a surplus of 7 months of supply, setting the stage for the downturn. This growing surplus, which exceeds historical averages, combined with additional factors, ultimately triggered the crash. Despite the significant role of escalating inventory levels, the widespread fraud of the early 2000s seldom receives attention in media, movies, or books. Griffin, a finance professor at the University of Texas at Austin, explores this topic in his paper, 10 Years of Evidence, Was Fraud a Force in the Financial Crises? He emphasizes how these deceptive practices were pivotal in setting the stage for the 2007 financial crash.